welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're gonna make my amazing raw vegan avocado hot salsa, and this recipe is my secret recipe that I'm sharing with you guys. Let's get to it. 2 to 4 lemons, 2 tomatoes, 1 sun-dried tomato, habanero, jalapeno, and serrano chili, cilantro, some white onions, avocado, cayenne pepper, salt, 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Tomatoes in here. So I usually put the lemon like this. So maybe about this much onion inside. Here, half of it. Serrano, and some more. It depends how spicy you want it. So you can put a little bit chili peppers inside. You can put 1, you can put 2. Habanero. This is what really makes it spicy. Cilantro, we can't forget cilantro. This really gives it that flavor. I just love the taste of cilantro, it's so good. Oh yeah, we can't forget our sun-dried tomato. Ooh, our main ingredient is avocado. So I usually do about half of the avocado. Sometimes I do put the full avocado. Our vitamins. Okay. Cayenne pepper. I love to put a lot of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons Himalayan salt, or any type of salt you want. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it. You ready? Should look creamy and delicious and just like, oh my god. So we're gonna do our taste test and try it. So amazing. It's perfect. It's perfect. You guys gotta try it. So good. Or something in this beautiful little bowl. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I'll see you guys. Bye.